So basically you're gonna, and then you got like, and then we got something somewhere. Like that comes out, and then where's the other stuff? Then like there's a clip that you gotta, yep, and then there's another clip that like you gotta you know, and then chemicals, and then there's like this whole thing, you know, like you can pull on it or something, or there's two clips here, and then the crusty, and then you gotta flip and then you pull them out, and there's these twisties, and you, yep, that didn't break, and then you, yep, and then you got your fuse box. Well, this whole thing's already the fuse box, and I've been showing you that this whole time, but you know, and then you gotta pull pull the tabs, and then you lift. Pull that out. You know, I really hope they change this in the newer Mazdas, because this is ridiculous. Yeah, and then you get that blue one out, and then you do the same thing with this one. You pull down, and then that comes out. And then you got a green one over on the right side here. You got a green one, and then you just gotta pull the tabs on that one, which seems to be impossible. And then and that one just, yep. Doesn't seem like it's gonna come out, does it? Okay, so you got that one out, and then you kind of just you got these things on each side, and you just, and then it sort of just comes. And then that's your fuse box. And now we gotta take that thing off. So we got our 12 millimeter here. Let me do this with my other hand. So 12 millimeter, and then you, what? That says 12 millimeter. That's what the dude said. He said 12. Is it not? This is just embarrassing, isn't it? Okay. Let me try an 11. Okay. So we got our 11 here. And we're gonna stick it on there. And what? Oh, that's not going around. Hold on. Okay, so we got our 12 millimeter back on, which doesn't. Let's do a 13. let's just try a 13 because why not, you know? Oh, and that's not fitting either. You know why? You know why it's not fitting? Because I'm stupid, and these things, they're not long enough to go. I'm an idiot, dude. Okay, so we're back from being stupid, and we got a longer thing, and now it's probably not going to fit on there because I don't have enough room. You know, why wouldn't it? Because why would a car repair ever actually work? So, we're going to try and break that loose. Obviously, it doesn't want to. So I'm gonna just, I'll be back. So, as you can tell, it's raining now. So it might be kind of hard to hear me. Or not, you know. But basically, you cry because, rust and stuff and cars. But you get them off. You break the bolts, you get them off. And there's one there, and there's one there, and it's holding this stupid ass bracket on. So yeah. Okay. So ready for some mechanic sounds? You know what? I can't with this. There. Mechanic sounds. Or something. Okay. Please. Oh my god, it's rusted on again. Or something. I don't even know. It's mechanic. Something. Mechanic. Let's try it again. So I had the ratchet going the wrong way because I'm actually the smartest person on the planet again. So give me a sec and we'll get this out. Okay, so we got both nuts off. That's what they're called, right? Yeah, sure. And now I gotta go watch someone else's YouTube video because I have no idea what I'm doing. All right, we're back after watching someone else's video. Link in description. Now we got. What do I do again? Actually, okay, so now we gotta take this carpet thingy out. And then take the carpet, this dot out, and then that like loosens this entire, well, this isn't out yet. Any day now, you know. Please? I'm actually confused. Hold on. Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's 2 days later, because I gave up and I didn't feel like working on it. I had a rusty screw that the head of my screwdriver literally broke off into because the screwdriver was also rusty. Because I keep it in my emergency kit in the trunk, and I'm dumb. So I had to grab another screwdriver from the garage and pick the other head of the screwdriver out of the rusty screw. Anyway, so there's 4 screws in this thing that it goes in here, right? That covers this spot, and then there's this little cream sensor that comes out of here just by pulling it. I haven't actually been able to see in there. Oh, that's still pretty bad. Okay, I'm gonna have to vacuum that more, but yeah, basically I just took all the screws out and then unplugged the sensor, and I'm trying to vacuum it out right now because it's disgusting. If you want to see this is what they look like. Right, here's the brand new ones. Yeah, so it's pretty bad. I made the head shorter of the vacuum, so maybe I can get in here a little bit better and actually get the rest of the stuff out. I don't know, we'll see. But this is what I've got to work with, so. Yeah. All right. What's it? Oh, God. All right, that's better. That's pretty decent. I'm gonna try and get the stuff in the front, and we'll call it a day. Well, yeah. We'll put it all back together. I'm assuming that is correct.